Hi students, I'm your Nagini ma'am, chemistry mentor. In today's session, I'm going to teach you naming of organic compounds having two or more different functional groups students. This is the functional groups priority table students already discussed in the last video. Once you go through that video students, this is the continuation part. Last video continuation students. Here I will discuss some examples how to write naming of organic compounds in case of two or more different functional groups are there. See here COOH, iodine, NOCN. These groups are there in this compound. So here I told you in the functional group priority table. So in these groups, which is coming first, that is acting as a functional group. So COOH is the first, it is in the first position in the priority table. So that's why it is acting as a functional group. Remaining all are acting as a substituents. Clear students? So COOH is acting as a functional group and it is started with the carbon. So we have to start the numbering from this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the longest continuous carbon chain. This one we have to select as a parent chain. 5, 6, 7. This is the parent chain. Now this is the substituent student. Clear? This is a substituent, and here iodine, NOCN, these are also substituents. Okay. Now, what are the names? CH2, CH3, what is the name student? CH2, CH3, it is ethyl. Clear? Ethyl group. This one iodine. Kada? Iodo. What is the substituent name? Iodo. NO is nitroso. Okay? Nitroso. Next CN, cyano. Okay? See here, once I will tell you I will show you names. See here. COOH is suffix name. It is acting as a functional group, oic acid. CN is cyano. And here we have another one, NO. NO is acting as a substituent always, nitroso. And X, iodine is there, halo, iodo, chloro, bromo, like that. Okay. So now see here, according to the alphabetical order, we have to start the name. See here, which is coming first letter arrow, first letter. Here E, first letter E, here first letter I, C, here N. Okay. So here total 4 substituents are there. Which is coming first here? This one, cyano, first C. This is the first one. Clear? Next, second one arrow, second one, this one, E letter. Understanding? Next one, I, J, K, L, M, N. This is the third one, I, third one. This substituent third we have to write. Next, fourth one, nitroso we should write. Clear? So this is first cyano. What is the name? Tell me students, what is the name? Cyano, where it is there? 6th position it is there. Clear? 6 cyano. 6 cyano. Next, second one, which one we should write? Alphabetical order, ethyl group. 2 carbons are there. So ethyl. So it is attached to the third carbon. So 3 ethyl. Clear? Fourth one, which one we have to write? Fourth, second one completed. Third one, iodo. Iodine, where it is attached to the parent chain, fourth carbon. So 4 iodo. Clear? Next, fourth one arrow, fourth substituent, nitroso. It is attached to the fifth carbon, parent chain. 5 nitroso. Clear? 5 nitroso. So total 4 substituents completed. Cyano, ethyl, iodo, nitroso. Okay, completed. Next one in the parent chain, total 7 carbon atoms are there. 7 carbon atoms are there means what we have to use students? Hept root word. Clear? Hept. And here all our single bonds are there. A, no. But functional group is there. It is COOH. What is the functional group name students? Oic acid. Pentanoic acid. Clear? Understanding? So this is the compound name students. 6 cyano, 3 ethyl, 4 iodo, 5 nitroso, pentanoic acid. Not pentanoic, sorry, heptanoic acid. Hept kada 7 carbons are there. Total 7 carbons parent chain. So hept. Clear? So this is the compound name. Now see here this compound. Here how many carbons are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there. How to start the numbering students? Here first priority we should give for the triple bond, next double bond. So we have to start numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understanding student? To the triple bond always should give the least number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here according to the alphabetical order which is coming first, this is Eno, this is Ino. Understanding? So this is Eno, Ino. So first we have to write Eno, next one we have to write Ino. Okay. Right. Total 5 carbon atoms are there. What is the compound name? 5 carbon atoms means what is the root word students? Pent. Next one, here third position, double bond is there, first position triple bond is there. This is ene, pent 3 ene, first position triple bond is there, 1 ine. Clear? Pent 3 ene, 1 ine. So they, like this we have to write. Now see here another compound. See this compound, students. How to write the naming of organic compound. See here, COH functional group is there. We have to start numbering from this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 carbon atoms are there, but here double bond is there. Here also double bond is there. Here it is having the maximum number of carbon atoms. Here it contains less number of carbon atoms. Only 8 are there. Here 9 carbon atoms are there, and it is also having double bond. So we have to select this is the parent chain. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the substituent, students. Understanding? It is attached to the fourth carbon. Now how to write name? How to write name? See here. Fourth position, this substituent is there. Right here 4 hyphen bracket, right? Now here total how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are there. 4 carbon atoms means what, students? But root word. But root word. Next one here, first, second, third, fourth. Second position double bond is there. But 2 ene. Okay, but it is acting as a substituent, il. Understanding? Bit 2 enyl. Second position double bond is there. 2 eno. This is a substituent. Yl we should add. Bit 2 enyl. Next one. Total how many carbon atoms are there? 9 carbon atoms. Non. And here double bond is there. Sixth position double bond is there. Sixth position double bond. Non 6 eno. And here in the primary suffix the last letter e is replaced by the secondary suffix. Functional group. Correct? So 6 ene 1 oic acid. Clear? 6 ene 1 oic acid. Understanding, students? Sixth position double bond is there. Sixth ene 1 oic acid. Otherwise we can write 6 ene oic acid also, because it is attached to the first carbon. You don't need to mention 1. Understanding? So 6 ene oic acid, like that also we can write. Clear? Now see here this compound. This one, CH3, CH, 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 CH3, CN, CN, CH2, CN. Now see here, the CN is attached to the carbon. So here 3 identical functional groups are there. CN, CN, CN. So in this case, students, here these carbons we should not include in the parent chain, Nana. So here it is attached to this carbon. So we have to start numbering from this carbon. Understanding? It is attached to this carbon. Here you have to start the numbering. Clear? From here you have to start the numbering. 1, next 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 carbon atoms are there. Understanding, students? See here, total 5 carbon atoms are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these carbon atoms should not include in the parent chain, students. Okay, na? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 carbons. And here methyl group side chain is there. It is attached to the second carbon. So first you have to write the substituent name. 2 methyl. 2 methyl. 1 carbon there, na? Methyl. Next one, total 5 carbon atoms are there. 5 carbon atoms there means pent root word. And here all are single bonds only. So that's why primary suffix is eno. Understanding? Pentano. Next one, no. And here 3 identical functional groups are there. 3 identical functional groups are there means here are 2 identical. From 2 identical functional groups onwards, what I am saying, students, in the primary suffix in full form we have to write. Here the terminal e is not replaced by the secondary suffix. So in full form you have to write no pentano. Okay, now next one, here CN groups attached to the first carbon. Next one, third carbon, fourth carbon. Clear? So 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Total how many are there? Same functional groups 3 are there. Tri. CN is general name is carbonitrile. Carbonitrile. So this is the compound name. Clear? Now take this compound. See here, same model. Here CN, where we have to start the numbering from here. 1 2 3 4 4 carbon atoms are there. 4 carbon atoms. These carbon, here CN, here CN, here CN. 3 CN groups are there, identical functional groups. They must, these 3 carbon atoms should not include in the parent chain. So that's why here we have to start the numbering 1 2 3 4. Otherwise 1 2 3 4 like this also we can take numbering. Clear? So like this also we can take 1 2 3 4. Tell me students, what is the name of the compound? Total how many carbons? 4 carbon atoms are there. But A no. Next first carbon, second carbon, fourth carbon. First, second, fourth carbon CN groups are there. 3 are there. Tricarbonitrile. Tricarbonitrile. Clear? Now see here, COOH groups 3 are there. Identical functional groups 3 are there. Clear? Identical functional groups 3 are there. Then how to write the name? See here, numbering you have to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. 5 carbon atoms there means pent. All single bonds are there. No. Primary suffix no. Next one, here COH groups 3 are there. Attached to the parent chain. Here first carbon, third carbon, fifth carbon. So 1, 3, 5, try. COOH groups are there. COOH groups are there means what we have to write, students? Carboxylic acid. Tricarboxylic acid. Clear, students? Tricarboxylic acid. So 3 COOH functional groups are there. There means like this we have to write the name of the compound. Tricarboxylic acid. Now see here, CHO functional groups 3 are there. Identical functional groups CHO. Then how to write the name here? Numbering 1 2 3 you have to write. So 3 carbon atoms are there. Prop, root word. All are single bonds. No, propano. Next one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 groups are there. Try CHO, carbaldehyde. Clear? So like this we have to write the name in case of 3 identical functional groups. Now see here, students, line system of organic compounds. What is this line system? Here lines are there. See here, at each corner we have to take the carbon. Here one carbon, here one carbon. Take this one. This is considered as a single bond. See here, see here, see. This one is bond, single bond. Okay, now your balance, students, here this compound, around this carbon 4 bonds should be there. Carbon valency 4 na. So here already here one bond is there around this carbon. So how many hydrogens you have to take? 3 hydrogens. 3 hydrogens with 3 hydrogens, 3 sigma bonds. Here one bond. Total 4 bonds it's forming. That means 4 bonds means valency 4. Satisfied. Here also here one bond is there. Take here CH3. One more hydrogen you can take here. Now take here another compound. This one, here 2 lines are there. Here at each corner you have to take the carbon atoms. Carbon. Understanding? So here bond, carbon, bond, carbon. Understanding? Carbon. Like this you have to take. Now balance this compound. How many hydrogens you have to take? Here one bond is there. 3 hydrogens you have to take. 3 plus 1, total 4 bonds. Here around this carbon 2 bonds are there. How many hydrogens you have to take? 2 bonds. 2, 3, 4. 4 valency should be there around the carbon. So here around this carbon 1 bond is there. Take here 3 hydrogens, right? Okay, like this you have to write. Now see here carbon. Here double bond is there. Understanding? Here carbon, single bond. Here carbon. Here double bond. This one double bond. Here carbon. Okay, and here single bond. Here carbon. Understanding? Carbon. Okay, now balance this one. Around this carbon single bond is there. Only one bond. 3 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3 bonds are there. 1 hydrogen. Here 2, 3 bonds, hydrogen. Here 1 bond, 3 hydrogens. Okay, now see here this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there. 5 carbon atoms. So how to write, like at each corner you can take 5 carbon atoms. Now see here carbon, single bond, carbon, this carbon, single bond, here carbon, here single bond, carbon, here bond, carbon. Understanding? So like this you have to now balance this one. CH3, here 2 bonds are there. CH2, here 2 bonds, H2, here 2 bonds, H2, here 1 bond, H3. This is the compound. Now see here this compound, how to write? Here at each corner you have to take carbon atoms. That much only, very easy, students. Okay, now see here carbon, here single bond, here carbon, here single bond, carbon, here carbon. Okay, this carbon, here carbon, next here carbon, here carbon. Clear? Like this you take. Now here triple bond is there. 1, 2, 3 bonds. Here 1, 2, 3 bonds. Clear? Understanding? So like this you have to write. Now balance this one. See here 2 bonds are there. CH2 here 2 bonds. CH2 here 2 bonds. CH2 CH2. Here 1 2 3 4 bonds are there. Balance is satisfied. Here also 1 2 3 4 bonds are there, satisfied. Clearer? Now see here in this compound. Here carbon carbon carbon. So carbon 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 OH. So this is the compound. Understanding? OH. Carbon 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 OH. Now balance here CH2, here H2, here H2, here 3 bonds are there, hydrogen. Now see here carbon, 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 okay. Now here carbon, here bond, here bromine, here Cl. This is the compound. Clear? Clear students? Now balance here 2 bonds H2, here 3 bonds are there, H, here 2 bonds H2, H2, 3 bonds H. Clear students? So like this you have to write the organic compound in case of line systems. At each corner you have to take the carbon atoms. Okay students, I hope you like this video students. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Lana. Thank you students.